I'm ready with my morning routine. I'm not like a breakfast person. I have only matcha in the morning and probably a piece of fruit, an apple or a banana if I'm hungry, and pretty easy. Now I'm going for my pre-trip inspection and I'm ready to roll. Let's go. In my house in Oklahoma. Actually, there's my ranch in Oklahoma. Yeah, that's my part of my working week. I started in Illinois and I'm gonna stay for during the weekend in my ranch in Oklahoma, and then I'm gonna proceed with my delivery in Texas, and then the rest of the week. And I'm gonna make probably some quick fix, something on my truck. It's a beautiful weather out there. I arrived in my ranch in Oklahoma, so I'm going to show you how actually I'm spending my weekends here. I have some farm animals and they are waiting for me. I'm gonna take care for them, and also for the ranch. And if I have a time, I'm going to change my oil on the other truck with D13. So come with me and let me show you. Come. I have a rack, the first one for the morning. Probably till the end of the day I'm going to have a few more, still warm. As I said, I have a time and I'm going to change my oil on the other truck. Come with me, let me show you how we're going to change the oil. And before starting with the oil, let me put my sleeves off. I want to share something with you. That truck have the difference. That truck with the other truck, it's the engine, which is a Volvo D13. And here I want to mention that when I'm changing my oil, I'm changing my filters every second time, because there's actually 3 oil filters, and there's a 3-time protection, 3-time filtration, which means you don't need to change every time the filters when you change your oil. And the difference with the Cummins engine, I need to change my filter, the oil filter, every time I change my oil, because there's only one, and here we have 3 oil filters. And that way I'm only using, as always, the Mobile Delvac, which is exactly 8 gallons of oil, and you're gonna spend only $100. Other than that, you're gonna go to the shop and they're gonna change all your oil filters. With the labor and plus the oil, it's gonna charge you between $400 and $500. Why you need to give those money only for one oil change when you can save $300 to $400? Okay, let's start with the oil change. Here we have, of course, a little difference from the other truck. Let me show you. Come with me. Let me take my tool for the drain bolt on that truck, because the other have, as you know, a drain valve, and here we have a drain bolt. Let me show how I'm gonna take it off and start draining the oil. Before actually starting to drain your oil, make sure you warm up the truck and actually warm up the oil for easier drain the oil. Okay. Once I'm underneath my truck, I'm using, of course, my favorite drain box here. And okay, so first I'm gonna lose the bolt. Here we go. Only few times, and then I'm gonna proceed by hand. Here we go. We're gonna leave the oil to drain for 30 to 40 minutes. And I always, as my suggestion here, if you have a chance, leave it during the night. That's probably the best way to be sure that the old oil is completely drained out of the carter. Okay, I'm done here. Let me take my tool back to the box, to the socket box, and wait those 30 minutes and do something else. Okay, that's it. to do. I clean my both trailers, and now I'm ready to go and put the new oil in my truck. And that's another useful tool you should have always with you. Other than that, you need to do it by yourself with hand. Okay, let's go and put the new oil into the truck. Again, underneath the truck. My favorite one. It's already, and the whole oil is out. We're just gonna clean the boat. It's dipping, but I think we are done and ready to close the boat. The oil pan needs to be completely closed. I'm doing it always by hand, and then I'm taking the socket again by hand. Okay, and then I'm taking out the oil pan slowly. And now it's the time. And I'm tightening it by hand several times. Be careful, don't overdo the boat. You can cut it and it's gonna be a problem. Okay, probably twice or 3 times, and perfect. Hold down here and let me take it out. Clean, no mess, and only be careful because right now the oil pan is full with oil, and with my gravel here it can be a disaster. Okay, I'm gonna drain the oil pan in front of my truck. I'm not gonna risk to go to my garage to do so, and that's it. Let's start with putting the new oil into the engine. That's my favorite part, as I said before. I love doing that. It's one of the best maintenance I like to perform on my trucks. As I said before, once I'm done with my oil, I'm starting to collect the old oil to my bottles for to return them for recycling. That way there's no mess, clean and nice. It's Monday morning and I came to my delivery in Texas. So here I am. It's beautiful weather outside. It's almost a storm day. So today it's gonna be just a delivery and tomorrow it's gonna be another pickup and another